Alright, Unit 13 here with this experimental bin. Let's take a look and see what's going on in here. Okay, so look at this bin today. Looks like, okay. I was looking for the footage for this little section after I turned the light on, and looks like I didn't record. So what you're looking at here is a still image or freeze frame of that part where the worms are, and where the arrow highlights the area shows where I turned that over, and there were all the worms were still enmeshed inside the old grass ball that was there that's decaying, and it looked like a vast portion of the stuff except for the potatoes, all the vegetable material that went in there before is getting consumed rapidly at this point. There was a mango that I did not squeeze out, which is sort of visible there at the center of the frame down at the very bottom, and I squeezed that out, and then in the next little segment of video you'll see where I added a vegetable material. Okay, but the overall health, before I cut away from this, the overall health of those worms is really looking good at this point. So I'm going to start adding more to this as they increase in size, because it looks like they're going to probably do really well at this point. Yeah, I'm just going to water this thing. Just use this little pump water here. Get some water down in there. Keep that moisture up for them. There. See them potatoes, when they want to grow, no matter how little of that potato there is, it'll try and grow a potato. That's really impressive. I didn't know that. Glad to know that. So if you're really trying to stretch your potatoes out, you might be able to make that work. I wouldn't try to plant potato skins, but you can probably plant smaller pieces of potato. Sure gonna try that next time I plant potatoes to grow. Alright, that's it for the experiment.